Alright, fail team. So we did the video earlier, and apparently the sound was not working because I never did a test with it. But as you can see, I got the back portion of the sound deadening out using the dry ice, and a good little portion of the upper section. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some cardboard and hold it up against it and then pour it and then just kind of push it up against it so that it has intimate contact with it. The stuff is working pretty good. That's all the stuff that we got out. Came out fairly easy, but I am using like a little chisel to get that out, and the dead blow hammer so that we're not like beating the heck out of the car. Henry was helping me with this one. He did a pretty good job. Then I had to tell him to get away because I didn't want him to touch the stuff, but he did a pretty good job. So it's getting along. I'll have a buddy of mine over here in a little bit to help me with this.